They walk like us, they think like us, and soon they may work for us. Welcome to AstroVex, where we explore the future before it arrives. From advanced AI to cosmic mysteries, we break down the science shaping tomorrow. Let's dive in. For decades, humanoid robots were just science fiction. We saw them in movies, intelligent machines walking, talking, and sometimes even replacing humans. But today, that fiction is turning into reality. Humanoid robots are no longer prototypes hidden inside research labs. They are walking through factories, delivering packages, assisting in hospitals, even performing on stage. The rise has begun. But the real question is, are we ready? A humanoid robot is designed to resemble the human body: two arms, two legs, a head, sensors for vision, microphones for hearing, artificial intelligence for thinking. But why make them human shaped? Because our world is built for humans. Doors, stairs, tools, vehicles, everything is designed around our body structure. A robot with wheels can't climb stairs easily, but a robot with legs can. The goal isn't just automation, it's adaptation. This revolution is powered by three major breakthroughs. First is artificial intelligence. Modern AI allows robots to recognize objects, understand speech, learn from experience, make decisions. Without AI, robots would just be machines repeating commands. With AI, they adapt. Second is computer vision. Cameras and sensors have robots see the world in 3D. They can detect obstacles, identify humans, track movement, navigate complex environments. Third is advanced actuators and engineering. Humanoid robots require incredibly precise motors and joints. Walking alone is extremely complex. Balance weight distribution, reaction timing, all must happen in milliseconds. One small mistake and the robot falls. And yet, today's robots can run, jump, and even dance. The rise isn't theoretical, it's happening now. In factories, robots are being trained to lift heavy objects, assemble products, perform dangerous tasks. Unlike traditional robotic arms, humanoid robots can move around freely. In the healthcare sector, in hospitals, robots assist with delivering medicines, monitoring patients, supporting elderly care. In the future, they may become full-time assistants for aging population. In homes, imagine a robot that cleans your house, cooks meals, helps with groceries, watches over your home. It sounds futuristic, but companies are actively building towards this vision. Here's where things get serious. If humanoid robots become affordable and efficient, they could replace millions of jobs: warehouse workers, drivers, assistants, security guards, even some medical roles. But history shows us something important. Every technological revolution eliminates some jobs but creates new ones. The question is, will society adapt fast enough? Now, let's talk about the uncomfortable side. If robots look human, should they have rights? If they become intelligent enough, do they deserve protection? What happens if someone forms emotional bonds with a machine? And the biggest concern, who controls them? A humanoid robot connected to the internet can be hacked. In the wrong hands, could become a tool for surveillance or worse. The rise of humanoid robots is not just a technological challenge, it's a moral one. Experts predict that within the next 10-20 years, humanoid robots may work alongside humans in offices. They may assist teachers in classrooms. They could become personal companions. They might even explore dangerous environments like deep oceans or other planets. Imagine sending humanoid robots to Mars before humans. They could build habitats, test environments, prepare the planet for colonization. In many ways, they may become humanity's advanced scouts. This is where science meets philosophy. Current robots are not conscious, they simulate intelligence. But if AI continues evolving, could we reach a point where machines develop self awareness? No one truly knows. If that moment ever comes, it could be the biggest turning point in human history. Not just a new invention, a new form of existence. Some scientists believe humanoid robots will simply assist humanity. Others believe they may eventually surpass us, stronger, faster, smarter, more durable. They don't get tired, they don't age, they don't fear. If intelligence keeps scaling exponentially, machines could outperform humans in almost every measurable way. So the real question is not, will robots rise? It's, how will we coexist? The rise of humanoid robots is not decades away. It has already begun. What started as science fiction is becoming engineering reality. And whether they become helpers, partners, or something beyond our imagination, one thing is certain: the future will not be human alone. The future isn't coming, it's being built. If you're fascinated by AI, space, and the technology shaping tomorrow, subscribe to AstroVex and join the journey beyond the present. Because here we explore what's next.